Right then, morning. So today we are going to be doing a survey on a fire alarm system. So if you have a commercial property or even a domestic property, get in contact. First thing that normally happens is we get you a fire assessment completed. And then now on this job we're going to be fitting a wireless Zero fire alarm panel. But before that we've just got to do a little survey with a survey kit to make sure that we've got good signals throughout the property. Come on inside and let's have a look at it. Hello there, my name's Antony from ALO Electrical and Security, and today we're going to be doing a service maintenance visit on this beautiful property behind me. We're going to be testing the CCTV and the intruder alarm system. What that involves on a job like this is, for the intruder alarm, we'll be doing a walk test of the system, changing all the batteries if they require changing, and doing a full set, unset, and a few alarm notifications, making sure everything is going to work in the event of the worst to happen. Same with the cameras. We're going to be cleaning them, checking the time and date, checking that the recording is working and all the notifications that should be happening are happening, so that way we can make sure the client is protected 24/7. So come follow me and we'll show you around and show you a little sneak peek at a few things. So here we are doing the maintenance. This battery has just failed. It's probably would be okay, but it's probably not going to last another 12 months without going into fault. So we got a nice new one here going in. I've already done the panel checks before I started the recording. So now we can put the lid back on. So it's very important that you have these systems serviced. We recommend around every 12 months to make sure everything is working as it should. A few little tips if you're thinking about having CCTV. It's very important to know what you're having fitted. For instance, you know, how many terabytes, how much storage are you going to need? It's a really important one, because what you'll find is a lot of people will put in the least amount to save money for the client, when you know, we tend to find normally 2 weeks recording is pretty much the standard that we provide, and that means it can increase more the more cameras you have. Good thing is positioning of the cameras. We want them realistically. The perfect place is just below the first floor. The higher they are, so if they're on the soffits, it's okay, but they're more of a overall view of the CCTV system. So you might find that you're only going to see top of people's heads, but the lower the cameras you have, the lower they are, the better off you are having their faces. Adequate lighting outside is a good one. A lot of that is trumped now by colour view cameras, where they have their own inbuilt little light. You can also set up perimeters, notifications, you can even have alarms, you can even have two-way audio on a lot of these cameras now. So it's never been better really for CCTV. So there we go. So I hope you've enjoyed that little peek into this job. Please get in touch if you need any security needs or electrical needs.